Yo, what's up YouTubers? So today we're going to show you how to put a battery into your Volvo S60. This is a 2012 model, so walk around here with me and I'll show you how we get this installed real quick and help you guys get it installed. Okay, so we're putting our new Tampa Bay battery. It's a 94, show you guys here, 94R. 750 cranking amps. So you come over to your Volvo, remove this here, remove that one there. It has a screw for on and off. You also have this rubber seal in the way. You can just move that out of the way. You're gonna have a 10 millimeter nut here, 10 millimeter nut here. I've already loosened those, so go ahead and loosen those with a wrench or with a socket and a ratchet. And I did loosen the back one. There we go. Go ahead and get that out of the way. And then you're gonna have a battery mount down here. That's an 8 millimeter. Go ahead and get you a long extension like so. And I'll grab this 8 millimeter off of the rack here. Alright, so I'm using my Milwaukee, 12 volt ratchet from Home Depot. Got an 8 millimeter socket on there. And we're gonna get this battery hold down bracket down here. It's that's actually a 10 millimeter, so we'll switch it back over to the 10. Alright, we got our 10 on there, and we're gonna go for, let's see if I can get a good angle. Go for that bolt right there, right? Am I even covering? There we go. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and set that there. We'll grab our battery out. Okay, you want to also just go ahead and grab this here and pull this off and get that over to one side, to help you get your battery out as well. Maybe tuck this under here so it's out of the way. Also, there's a drain port back here. This is if your battery's overflowing or gets hot and needs somewhere to port, so unplug that out of the back of the battery as well. Alright, and then usually they got handles on them. There we go. So just grab this thing like so, and we're just going to come up and forward. Make sure you don't get snagged on anything. Definitely easier with two hands. See if I can cord this real quick. There we go. We'll go ahead and slide our new one in. Same deal. Alright. See, the new 94R is in its spot. Move this power out of the way and we'll grab our battery hold down bracket here. And let's go ahead and get that back down there. There we go. Tighten this up. Alright. And we'll go ahead and put our positive back on first. Oh, looks like we came out over here. Go ahead and slide that back down into that groove. There we go. Get our positive on there. Go ahead and plug our little port. Oh, one second. Okay, so don't forget to plug your little, I don't know what they call this thing, spill hose, port hose, whatever you want to call it. You want to get that back into the back here. We'll put our negative cable back where it's got to go. Make sure you get it all the way down too, that's important. You want to have it where the nipple part there is kind of protruding through the like that, you know. You don't want to have it, you know, halfway up the terminal or something. Okay, so there you go. You grab that hose and just kind of grab that hose and oops. So you just kind of grab that hose and push it into the back of the battery like so. Go ahead and plug our wire back in over here. Make sure that's all the way on nice and tight. Okay, we got our terminals all the way down. And we'll go ahead and tighten those up as well. Those are, like I said, 10 millimeter. Alright, and we'll go ahead and put our cover here back on. There we go. I think it goes under this, yeah, under this side and then over there. I don't know. I guess I need a screwdriver. Okay, let's see. Alright, there we go. And then we got that nice, that looks good. So then we just got to take this and put this back. I guess it goes under, like so. It goes under and then down. All right. I guess all that came right back up. Huh. Alright, well, let's see. Definitely hard with one hand. Let me try two. Okay. So we're gonna insert this side there and there. Gonna be all the way down there. We're gonna turn this little screw until that dot matches up with that dot, and then we're in a locked position. Okay, and I think that's why I didn't want to go down. Okay, so let's try this again. The snap over there has been broken. Got that one and got that one. All right, there we go. And we'll put our rubber piece back like so, just pushing it from forward to back, and then it'll kind of just snap and go all the way around. That's to seal the hood so water doesn't get in here. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.